For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
President Donald Trump exulted as US jobs surged in June amidst COVID-19 pandemic. Trump said US economy added over 5 million jobs in the month of June. Trump said his administration added 7.8 million jobs in the last 2 months. There's not been anything like this, record-setting. The United States economy has added almost 5 million jobs in the month of June, shattering all expectations. This is the largest monthly job gain in the history of our country. The stock market is doing extremely well, which means, to me, jobs. The unemployment rate fell by more than 2 percentage points, down to just about 11%. We're down to the 11% number. We started at a number very much higher than that. As you know, we broke the record last month, and we broke it again this month in an even bigger way. Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden criticized Trump over his claims on the state of economy. Joe Biden said there is nothing to celebrate about the new job report. Biden said the economy of the United States is still in doldrums.
Until this president faces what's going on in our country, our economy is going to remain at risk. Today's report is positive news, and I'm thankful for it, for real. But make no mistake, we're still in a deep, deep job hole because Donald Trump has so badly bungled the response to the coronavirus and now has basically given up on responding at all.
Biden said the job report is not a victory to be celebrated when COVID-19 cases are rising in the country. Biden said the United States is still down over 15 million jobs.
There's no victory to be celebrated. We should hope, but there's no victory to be celebrated. We're still down nearly 15 million jobs, and the pandemic is getting worse, not better. And it doesn't have to. Millions of Americans are still out of work, wondering when or if their job will come back, or worried about how to pay the bills in the meantime. Trump wants to declare his health crisis over and unemployment solved. Unfortunately, he's deadly wrong on both fronts.
Biden made the statement from his home at Wilmington in Delaware. Biden has been campaigning from his home and avoiding public rallies due to COVID-19. Biden accused Trump of downplaying the health crisis and bragging about jobs. Trump has been facing criticism over his lackadaisical approach in handling COVID-19 pandemic. Trump said his administration has been taking necessary steps to contain the virus. We have implemented an aggressive strategy to vanquish and kill the virus and protect Americans at the highest risk while allowing those at lower risk to return safely to work. Our health experts continue to address the crisis, and we are working very hard on that. We are working closely with the governors. They have all the medical equipment and ventilators they can have. Joe Biden said Trump should quit ignoring the reality and act responsibly. He said Trump is not giving them direction and leadership needed in this hour of crisis.
Other countries have figured out how to get the virus under control and reopen their economies and put their people safely back to work. Other leaders didn't waste time they were given from the start for stay-at-home orders. They got to work solving the root causes of this crisis, the coronavirus. Donald Trump just had given up. He's not even trying to secure the public health anymore. He'd rather go back to the campaign rallies. He's not interested in uniting us in this fight of a common threat we face.
The United States continued to remain the worst affected country in the world due to COVID-19. According to Johns Hopkins University website, the US reported over 128,700 COVID-19 deaths. Over 2.73 million people infected by coronavirus in the US.